Hi, nalayo ka na ba sa pamilya mo? Yung tipong video call na lang ang connection nyo?
Hi, Mommy. I miss you very much. I wanted you to be here at my birthday. I miss you very much. And I love you very much too.
Miss na namin ng isa't isa ng mga anak ko. Masakit nga lang nakikita na lumalaki na sila, pero wala ako sa tabi nila. Kahit nag-video call pa kami. Tinatanong ko yung sarili ko kung kailan matatapos to. I'm sure lalong mas mahirap sa kanila to. Hanggang isang araw, may napanood ako na isang ad sa YouTube.
We realize that we have a problem. The problem is, we have bigger dreams, but our income is small.
Option number 2 is to find a solution and increase our income to the size of our dreams, right?
If I did not start, if I did not try the opportunity, baka hanggang ngayon po I still work long hours.
When we saw the people's stories, we really saw ourselves in them because we realized that at the end of the day, we all want the same things. That's time with those we love and to really live life the way we choose.
We are nurses. I am a nurse. I'm a nurse. I'm also a nurse.
Our life now is more secured and closer to achieving our dreams in life.
And being on the inside now, actually, I saw normal, everyday people just like you and me. And they're getting results, they paying off their debts, they're actually quitting their original jobs and focusing on this. They got to travel more and not worry about expenses every time.
I wanted a plan B that could potentially be my plan A.
Halos di ako makatulog. Totoo ba talaga? And after ko mapanood lahat ng mga recommended videos, dun na ako nakumbinse na para sa akin talaga ito. Ito na yung sagot sa mga dasal ko, ito na yung magpapatapos sa lahat ng hirap ko, and ito na yung magpapauwi sa akin sa pamilya ko.
Meron po siyang step-by-step training sa video at modular na madali lang i-follow at maintindihan.
We actually found a system that teaches anyone how to earn using just their smartphone and or laptop and the internet.
Because we do have this online business that allows us to operate anywhere in the world. This business runs in the background, so even if we are on vacation, our businesses were getting, results.
And the best thing is, there's no selling involved, so no bagging your friends and family.
I don't want to be waiting for someone till I'm 50 or till I'm 60. I want to be able to enjoy my life.
Ngayon, online business owner na rin ako. Answered prayer talaga. Kaya kayo din po, pwede rin sa inyo to. Actually, para din sa inyo to. If may pangarap ka para sa pamilya mo na makasama sila at bigyan sila ng mas siguradong kinabukasan, ito yon. Klik nyo lang po yung button sa ilalim at dadalhin kayo sa aking website. Doon mapapanood nyo yung video na sasagot sa lahat ng inyong mga tanong. Bago po kayo magdalawang isip, aralin nyo muna po, panoorin nyo muna po yung mga videos. And bago kayo magdesisyon, syempre, kailangan nyo munang aralin kung para sa inyo talaga to. Again, click nyo lang po yung button at huwag kakalimutan i-type ang inyong email address at mag-register at manood ng lahat ng mga videos. So, ako po si Cam Estrella na taga Pilipinas at nagtatrabaho dito sa Japan ngayon bilang isang English teacher. At ako na rin po ang magiging mentor nyo. Ako po ang gagabay sa inyo sa lahat ng bawat steps na dadaanan nyo dito sa journey na to. Gusto kong pong makita na maging successful din po kayo at sabay tayo. Alam ko po na kung kaya nila, kaya din po natin. Huwag po tayong mawala ng pag-asa. Thank you!